Hello viewers, welcome back. Today's problem is to find out first non-repeating character from a string. We will write two versions, traditional version and functional version. Instructions are set here for version 1. So let's get started. Version 1. Public static. Our return type is actually character. Okay. And method name is find first non-repeating characters. Okay. And parameter is string. Okay. Now to do 1 is done. Now to do 2, check input string is valid or not. If str equal null or str is blank, then we will return actually character mean value here. Okay. To do 1 is done. To do 2 is done. To do 3, remove space and convert string to lowercase. We will declare another variable str neo str dot replace all space, and then we make it lowercase. Declare a map instance. To do 4, declare a map instance. So map character long and cars equal new linked hash map. Okay. Start a for each loop and convert string to characters. For character, so string neo dot to car array. Now to do 6, count all the characters. So characters dot compute based on character key value equal null, then first value will be 1, otherwise value will increase by 1. Okay, so now we have counting all the characters, but we need only the first character but non-repeating, that is not actually duplicate. So write another for each loop. Okay, character long empty characters dot empty set. Okay, now we will make a condition. Condition is actually when the value is 1. So empty dot get value equal 1 for the first time. Then our loop will be end. Okay, and we will return actually the key, not value. And finally we will return the default value. So our default value is minimum value of character. So done. So now let's check. SBM, out, find. So Dhaka. Now answer should be D. Answer should be D. Perfect. If we use here a D, then it should be Ace. Perfect. Okay. Now let's go to the second version, functional programming. So here we have to make a method, public, static, character, our type, return type is character, method name, and method parameter is string. Okay. To check input string is valid or not, let's check. If str equal null or str is blank. Okay. If so, then we can actually return similarly. Perfect. Now we make string lowercase. First, our intention is to make lowercase, so we have to convert it according to 2 to 4, convert the characters and filter and keep only digit and characters. Before that, we miss actually to do here. We need to map to object. Okay. And we actually keep 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Characters map to object. So map to object, character, car, size. Okay. Now filter and keep only digits and letters. So filter character dot only is letter or digit. Now count all. So we collect collectors grouping by, so character and collectors dot counting. So counting is done. Now refilter the value by 1 and take first one. Now we need entry set, then we need stream, then we filter again. Filter again and we can actually take get value equal 1. So here that is the long value, so we add L here and find first, the first element, first one. Okay. Now return the map, return map key. So now map Okay, map.nt. Okay, we will return only key here and return the default value or else we have to return character mean value. Okay, done. Let's check the version 2. So we just use version 2, same value, answer should be same. Yes, perfect. So remove the duplicate D and here it should answer the D now. Yes, perfect. Okay, thank you very much for watching.